Hi guys. Okay, we're gonna do, I think, some planning today. I'm not really sure like where my brain is at right this second. I know that sounds kind of crazy because I went through great lengths to get this little background set up, blah blah blah. I'm just kind of taking this video one step at a time. But I do know the first thing, oops, sorry about that. I want to share with you guys a haul that I actually have had for a very long time. I'm talking months. So let me get all this out. I went to Daiso not too long ago. If you do not know what Daiso is, it's basically like a Japanese Dollar Tree store, except everything kind of comes around $1.50, and then they also have things that are more expensive than $1, sort of kind of like a Dollar General. So I got this file case. It says it's an A4, which I don't really know what that means. Really, but I really liked the style of this. I'm sure that I can find lots of things to do with this. I think this would also be like a great sticker organization. I completely forgot that I had this. So I'm gonna attempt to put some stickers in here that didn't fit in my other system. Yes, I can put those larger stickers in a larger binder, and I just may, but I think, I don't know, I'm just gonna try this system and see if it works. Alright, and then, I mean, this is how long ago I got this stuff, because this is a Christmas cake flag. I thought it was really cute. It basically, like these two picks, and as you can see, you just stand it up in the cake, but as soon as I saw it, I obviously thought planner stuff. So, but it's Christmas, and I'm obviously not gonna use this for a really long time. Then I found this right here. I love this. I don't know what price this came to. I don't know if this was $1.50. I feel like it was, because I tried to stick with everything being like the cheapest price there. But these are little like page flags. How adorable. So you've got the little crayons, a little travel, and then here's like a little mail system, but then there's a clock and random glasses. So that's kind of odd. And then a larger sticky note, and then one that kind of looks like a ruler. Not really entirely cohesive in my opinion, but alright. And then this I really love, photo frame stickers. Sorry for the glare. I have never really seen anything like this, not even at Dollar Tree. I feel like we've seen something like this at Target Dollar Spot section, but these are really fun, and I got these for the purpose of my daughter's senior book. I got some white masking tape. I thought this was awesome. I can use this as the tape to lay down in my planner and cover up any colors that I don't want, so that I can then lay down my own washi. I'm sorry, I'm like, I keep pulling towards me, but I'm not used to this setup because I am filming with a new camera. So yeah, so I'm gonna use white masking tape for that, or just use it for like my decor, my planner. Here is this one. I thought it was really fun. It kind of has like a notebook, double-decker kind of bus, and then some Converse and coffee. It's just kind of pretty random. You could always like cut the image that you want and just use it as a sticker instead of using it as like a full roll in your planner. Here is a like powder blue washi. Here is this kind. I really love these. If you didn't see my AliExpress haul, I'll link it down below, because last time I did a planner video, I used coffee stickers, and a couple questions on where I got those, and it was from AliExpress. So this reminded me of that. I really like it. It's really interesting, the shape of the washi. It's not like a strip, it just has its own little zigzag pattern. And here is kind of another one similar to it. It's pink, has a travel little theme. How adorable is that, right? Super cute. Yep, so got it at Daiso. Daiso is not everywhere, by the way, but they are starting to pop up in a lot more places, so definitely check. I think Daiso originally started in California. I'm not really sure. So I know there's some in California, and there's some in Texas. I don't know where else they are. This is a little tea silicone lid like a little steaming tea thing. I thought this was so adorable. I do love my teas. Oops, there we go. And this little piece like fits into there, and then as you can see, it's on the lid so that you can just pull it up like that. So I got that. As you can see, the price says $1.50. So they do convert it for you so that you know. Here is a scrapbook. For a while there, I wasn't sure how I was going to do my daughter's senior book. And when I saw this, I thought that this had some potential. But I actually decided I'm going to use the slam book, or whatever it's called. It used to be a really big popular item a long time ago. I'll show it to you in a second, but I don't think I'm going to end up using this for her senior book, so I'm going to find something else to do with it. And then I got this little tape. It's also washi, and then it shows you what it looks like. So it looks just like that. I mean, how adorable is that, right? I don't know why I just called it a slam book. We used to call those slam books in high school, but this is actually called a smash book. I don't know if anyone really remembers these, but there was a hot minute there when everyone was hauling these. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and take a look at my Happy Planner. This is the one I recently just bought. I love it. I love the cover art. I don't want to cover it right now, but I could always make something in the future for it. I don't want to really do too much of a tour into this, but I'll go ahead and show you guys what I have done. So this is my January little dashboard of goals and like bullet journaling, things I want to start. And I don't know why I'm yelling, but I feel like I'm yelling. And then here is my January month at a glance. I feel like my monthlies are the hardest for me to decorate. I just tend to do better on a weekly spread. I just feel like I have very little creativity when it comes to the monthly stuff. I don't know if anyone else feels the same way, but I used this whole LOL line from Hobby Lobby, which I also have a huge haul on. And yeah, so I just kind of wrote some things, and yeah. So, and then I haven't decorated this week or this week or this week because when I picked up this planner, it was the Sunday before this week. So I wanted to go ahead and film in the current week that, or not film, I wanted to plan in the current week that I was designing, I guess. So this has already been done, and I went off of this little theme. This is a card from Dollar Tree. And that's kind of how I do things. I use something as my inspiration, whether it's a color, it's a card, it's a certain washi, and then I build off of that. So I'm just showing you guys what this looks like. I use some stamps in here. I use some stickers in here. And these stamps are so adorable. It's from the Sassy Club. Sandra, she has her own shop and everything, her own website. I'll link her down below, but you'll probably be seeing me use a lot of her stamps, and because I'm going to try to get into more stamping. And then in here I was testing some of the stamps from Dollar Tree, and I actually did not like them. As you can see, they were just not very consistent, and they're really difficult because you can't really see like where you're stamping, so it's hard to see if the the image is going to line up. So yeah, I just wasn't really a fan of the quality. But in here is basically like my goals, and I just don't want to like really share those right now. But yeah, so I love this. I love the orange, the red, and the yellow, and then this touch of mint green from this bike. Obsessed. Hi guys, so I actually kept on filming after that last clip of looking at my planner spread that I had already worked on. I kept filming and I ended up filming a planner spread. But I really don't like my videos to be too long, and that planner spread that I did is quite a lot of minutes on it, so it's going to be its own video. But I wanted to pop on here and just kind of give you guys an ending, just because I didn't want to just completely cut off, because I am trying to get better about my transitions and how I start and end my videos. So I just wanted to say I hope you guys enjoyed the Daiso haul. I held on to that stuff for quite some time. I completely forgot about it. So obviously you saw the month at a glance and the bicycle theme that I did from the Dollar Tree card. And I'm not going to end this just yet. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys one more spread that I've also filmed off camera. But I'm not going to show you the one that you're going to see the whole tutorial on, because that one I did film and it's really cute and I want you to see it. Alright, so my inspiration was this wall decal from Dollar Tree. As you can see, I already used some. And voila. So again, like I said, haven't written anything in there. I'm really using the past dates to just kind of play around, do different things that I'm not used to doing. Sorry for the glare, but as you can see, I used the little fairy people and the butterflies. I know it takes up quite a bit of room, but that's exactly why I wanted to go ahead and use them in the past. To you, it honestly doesn't matter where it's past, future, present, because I mean, planner videos stay up, you know, until the YouTuber wants to take it down. So the date honestly doesn't truly matter to the person viewing it. But because it is the past for me, I'm not going to remember every single thing that I did, you know, on Tuesday the 8th of January, when it's, right now it's January, you know, 28th. So anyway, I just wanted to take this time to just kind of fill all this up. I have some spaces obviously here, and I'm going to play around and like do some stamping and, you know, things so that I can kind of get used to certain elements that I'm just not used to doing. Yeah, and then I still have this one to do, which I'm going to go ahead and use the rest of these as well. And then y'all saw this week, and it's obviously, like I said, it's the 28th, and I have yet to do the current week, but I am going to film this on camera. And then we have the one that's secret in here that you will see in its own video probably after this video. So you'll see it really soon. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you are loving some of my planner spreads, but don't worry, we will get back to the Crafty Girl aesthetic. If you don't know what I'm talking about, planner playlists are down below. See you guys later.